Okay, doctor. So, here's how we're going to do it. This is Invesalius. This is the CBCT DICOM file reader that will go ahead and make a STL file for you. So you can see my mouse over here. What we're going to do is we're going to go import your medical images. I have one already preset right here. I just grab the folder, hit open. It will load up all of the files for you. We can check the files down here by just sliding through. Now that it's ready, we hit import, which is right here on the bottom left. Now it's going to show me all of my views. And what you're going to see is you're going to see a mask. You see how it's green? And this mask, that's what it's going to detect for the 3D shape that it's going to create. We have presets like bone, compact bone, enamel. There's a whole bunch of different presets you can play with. I usually start with a compact bone, or enamel, adult or child, depending on the person. It usually cleans up pretty well. So we want to go ahead and scroll through to make sure that we got enough. As you can see, we don't. So what's going to happen is we're going to grab this right here. We're going to grab this right here and pull this until we get all of it in green. That means that all of that information is going to be used to make a model. It's fairly clean there. Now that we're set up like this, what we're going to do is we're going to hit create surface right here on the bottom on the left. Don't hit overwrite last surface because we don't have another surface to overwrite. Give it a few moments, and on the bottom right down here, you will see a green bar loading in. It may look like it's not responding, it's just calculating. So just let's give it a moment. As you can see, we have ourselves a 3D surface. This was all generated using the DICOM files. We can zoom in, zoom out, we can roll around and check it out, see if there's anything that might be missing, or if we got enough detail in. If we're happy with this, we can go ahead and move forward. If we're not, we go up here where it says select region of interest, hit the little arrow on the right, and you can go ahead and change it again, and then you can overwrite and create surface, or just create another surface. And right here on the bottom where it says 3D surfaces, you'll see all the different ones. But since we're happy with this, we're going to go to the number 4, export data, hit the arrow. Here you have export 3D surface. When we tap that, you'll see it gives us the name that came with the DICOM file and STL. You want STL. STL ASCII makes a larger file, but we're going to keep it with regular STL. We name it, we hit save, and then we go ahead and have a DICOM file ready to go as an STL file. So there, all you have to do is find the file, upload it to the drive of your choice, and you can go ahead and use it. Of course, if the file is too big, by being more than 50 megabytes, then please use one of our tutorials to reduce the size by using Mesh Mixer or Mesh Lab.